ஹாய் எஸ்டீஸ், எல்லோரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக எங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் ஆனுவல் டே ஃபங்க்ஷன் நடந்தது. அதை பற்றின வீடியோ ஏற்கனவே போட்டிருந்தோம். இப்போ அது சம்மந்தமான வீடியோ தான் இதுவும். இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் ஆனுவல் ரிப்போர்ட் படிச்சிருப்பேன், அதை தான் போட போகிறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் த்ரோட் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன்லாம் இருக்குது. ஏன்னா சமீபத்தில் ஒரு 2 நாள் நாங்கள் அவுட் ஸ்டேஷன் போயிருந்தோம். சஷ்டியா பூர்த்தி நடந்த அந்த சிஸ்டருக்கு அந்த வீடியோவும் நீங்கள் விரைவில் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. பை பை எஸ்டீஸ். இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். பாய்.
Sumati ma'am and our academic advisor Banu ma'am and our vice principal sir Mani sir on the dais. It is time to felicitate our chief guest Movendra Pandian sir. I request our president Sridhar Babu sir to honor the chief guest with the shawl. Thank you, sir. I invite our principal Sumati ma'am to give our token to the honor of the chief guest. And I invite our vice principal Mani sir to give valuable books to chief guest. Please encourage with a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Kindly take your seats, please. It's important to recognize staff on their service for 10 years. And we are so proud to have such teachers as a part of our Sheshatri family. We hope that such teachers keep up the work for many years to come. I invite our academic advisor Banu ma'am to announce the felicitation to 10 years service completed staff. Welcome, ma'am.
I should thank the management for providing me the opportunity to say about 10 years service completed teachers today evening. I would like to invite Mrs. S. Gayatri, MSc B.Ed. She is our science teacher. 10 ஆண்டு கால தொடர் பணியினை பாராட்டு வாங்கும் பாராட்டு மடல். எண்ணம் அழகானால் எல்லாம் அழகாகும் என்ற வரிகளுக்கு வாழ்க்கையின் உதாரணம் காயத்ரி அவர்கள். கசப்பான மருத்துவ விவகால் சொல்லால் அமிர்தமாகும். உள்ளதை சொல்வதில் அதை உறக்கச் சொல்வதில் பாரதி கண்ட புதுமை பெண் காயத்ரி அவர்கள். எந்த பாடம் கொடுத்தாலும் அதில் தன்னுடைய சிறப்பான முத்திரையை பதிப்பவர். நல்ல குடும்பம் பல்கலைக்கழகம் என்ற சொற்களுக்கு சொந்தம் இவரது குடும்பம். ஆற்றல் மிகு ஆசிரியர், பணிக்கு தன்னை அர்ப்பணித்து பணியாற்றும் திறன்மிகு ஆசிரியர். 100% தேர்ச்சி நமது பள்ளி தொடர்ந்து பெற உற்ற துணையாக இருந்து வரும் திருமதி எஸ். காயத்ரி அவர்களின் 10 ஆண்டு கால தொடர் பணியினை பாராட்டி கௌரவித்து மகிழ்வது ஸ்ரீ சேஷாத்ரி மெட்ரிக் மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளி. மக்களுக்கிடையே கல்வி பணி செய்து வருகிறார். உரத்த குரல் பேசாதவர். எல்லா வளங்களும் அவர் வாழ்வில் பெற வாழ்த்துகிறோம். அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் வைஸ் பிரின்சிபல் மிஸ்டர் மணி சார். இவர் பன்முகத்தன்மை கொண்டவர். கல்வி பணி மட்டுமின்றி இலக்கியம், தமிழ், வழக்கு பணி, வானொலி, பண்பலையில் செயலாற்றும் திறன் கொண்டவர். மேலும் எப்பணியும் சீராகவும் நேர்த்தியாகவும் உடனுக்குடன் செய்யும் திறன், மற்றவர்களிடம் அதையே எதிர்பார்க்கும் தன்மை, அயராது உழைப்பு, பலன் எதிர்பார்க்காமல் உழைக்கும் திறன்தான் இவரது பெரும் வளர்ச்சிக்கு காரணம். நல்லாசிரியர். அனைவருக்கும் அவர் மென்மேலும் எடுத்துக்காட்டு. அவரின் பணி சிறக்க மனதார வாழ்த்துகிறோம். அவர் என்னுடன் பணியாற்றும் போது எனக்கு பேருதவியாக இருந்திருக்கிறார், இன்னும் இருக்கிறார். என்னுடைய மகன் மாதிரி எந்த ஒரு காலத்திலும் உடனுக்குடன் சந்தேகங்களை கேட்டு அறிவுரை கேட்டு பின்பற்றும் நேர்த்தி மிகு அழகு. இந்த பள்ளிக்கு கிடைத்த பொக்கிஷம். பாதுகாத்து வைத்துக் கொள்வது நம் கடமை. இவர் பணி மென்மேலும் சிறக்க வாழ்த்துகிறோம். மணி அவரையும் பாராட்டுகிறோம். Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing precious words. I know everyone present here love listening to you. Now, I would like to request our principal, Sumati ma'am, to present annual report 2023 to 2024. Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening to one and all present here. I heartily welcome our esteemed chief guest of the day, Shri Momendra Pandian, Executive Officer, Veerakkal Padu, Down, Salem District. I take great pleasure to welcome our guest of honor, Shri P. Papraj, our correspondent sir, Shri N. Senthil Kumar, CEO, Group of Ganga Suites and Hotels, Chennai. Even though they are not present here now, the blessings will be always with us. I take immense pleasure to welcome our President, Mr. P. Sridhar Babu sir, our Secretary ma'am, Mr. Sangeeta Sridhar Babu, who have accepted to spend this wonderful evening with us today. Even though ma'am is not here, I think our blessings will always be with us. Also, I welcome our respected teachers, non-teaching staffs, parents and students on the special occasion. I, Mr. Sumati Vijay, Principal of Sri Sheshatri Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Lakshmipuram, Cronepet, take great pleasure in presenting the annual report of our school. The year 2023-24 was marked with many events and success stories. This can be attributed to the dedication and team spirit of the members of the management, staff and students. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you consistent upward graph, and I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of a school. We have always been committed to create an environment at the school which helps young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards or goals for ourselves and strive hard to achieve them in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, post-scholastic areas and more. At onset, let me brief you about the inception of the school. Shri Sheshadri Matriculation Higher Secondary School is recognized by the Board of Matriculation School, Government of Tamil Nadu and managed by Rangaswamy Memorial Educational Society. The medium of instruction is English with Tamil as second language. The motto of the school is to spread education in the society to educate the youth of today. The prime motive of this institution is not only to create scholars but to achieve an all-around development of the personality. Mission. The mission of the school is to bring about the best from the student by fostering a loving relationship with God, self and neighbor. At this juncture, I take the entitlement to pay a tribute to the founder, Mrs. Madhuram Ma'am, who has passed away on 24/7/2023. Even though she has lived from us, her memories are always with us. Just as rainbow promises hope and brightens the lives by bringing in new vitality, vigor and zeal, Madhuram Ma'am's long cherished dreams have turned into reality in our school today under the guidance and leadership of our correspondent sir, president sir and secretary ma'am. Madhuram ma'am, you are a great hard worker and a kind-hearted woman. At this juncture, we shall salute your braveness, dedication, patience and perseverance which you have shown towards the development of a school. I request the audience to be silent for just 1 minute to honor our founder ma'am. Academics. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge and knowledge makes you great. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any good institution and classes 10th and 12th results of the school prove without any doubt that our students made us proud. Yes, we have achieved 100% result in plus 2 examinations. The year 2023 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our 10th, 11th and 12th classes came out. We are happy to share with the details of the commendable performance of the students. Results of the 10th standard, our student R. John C. Lakshmi got school first and secured 478 out of 500. T. Divya got school second and secured 474 out of 500. M. Akshaya got school third and secured 469 out of 500. Results of 11th standard. Our student A. Santosh got school first and secured 539. R. Swati got school second and secured 492. I. Kamali got school third and secured 466. Results of 12th standard. Our student M. Priyanka got school first and secured 544. M. Deepak got school second and secured 538. S. Ashwin got school third and secured 529. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated work of our teachers. Extra coaching classes, regular midterm and revision tests given by our teachers for board examinees. Teachers have worked very hard, shown much confidence and given their fullest support to reach this success. Thank you teachers for your dedicated work towards our students. I wish to acknowledge the efforts and guidance of our management as their collaboration and contribution have made a difference. Sports. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, keep trying. Sports competition inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students participated in different sports competition and won medals, certificates and trophies. Third state level red ball cricket championship was conducted at TTK ground, West Tambram on 22/7/2023 and secured runner-up by our girls and boys. The zonal level games under 14 volleyball for girls was conducted at Gurukula Matriculation Higher Secondary School, West Tambram on 18/8/2023. Junior under 14 girls secured the title winner-up and was selected by a district. Under 17 senior girls secured runner-up. Under 19 Super Senior Girls secured winner and was selected by a district. Throwball competition was conducted by Government Higher Secondary School, Nagalkeni, Throwball under 19 Super Senior Boys secured runner-up. Tennis match was conducted at SRKM Matriculation Higher Secondary School, West Tambaram. Under 17 Senior Boys, S. Rohit, 10th standard secured singles runner-up. Under 14 Girls, R. Kamini, 8th standard, B. Kanishka, 8th standard secured doubles runner-up. Super Senior Under 19 Girls, M. Januja, 11th standard secured singles runner-up. The same match, M. Januja and S. Lindsay secured doubles runner-up. Carom Open League State Inter-School Tournament was conducted at Neelan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Gudvancheri on 14-10-2023. Under 14 Girls, R. Kamini, 8th standard, secured 3rd place and received ₹1,000 as cash prize. B. Madhumita, 8th standard, received ₹500 as consolation prize. Zonal athletic meet discus throw was conducted at Manipakkam Government Higher Secondary School. Under 14 boys, students J. Kavish, 8th standard, secured 2nd place and was selected by the district. Super Senior 200 meter running for boys, student K. Sivaraman, 11th standard, got 2nd place and was selected by the district. Super Senior Javelin Throw under 19, A. Santosh of class 12 got the 3rd place. Under 19 Girls Discus Throw, R. Swati of 12th standard got 2nd place and was selected by the district. Under 17 Girls 400 meter running for senior girls, M. Akshaya of 11th standard got 3rd place. District level volleyball match for girls was conducted at Tagore Engineering College, Ratnamangalam on 12-10-2023. Under 14, junior girls secured winner and entered the state level. Under 19, super senior girls got the 3rd place. Division beach volleyball match was conducted at St. Joseph's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Kovalam on 28-2023. Under 14, junior girls R. Kamini and S. Vanika of 8th standard secured title runner-up and entered the state level competition. Just give a round of applause please here because they entered the state level competition. S. Vanika got the best player award and achieved trophy. Under 19 super senior girls D. Nithya and T. Divya of 11th standard secured 4th place and got the certificates. State level volleyball match was conducted at Vayanam Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai on 2-24. Under 14 girls participated in the state level competition. I am very proud to say our girls participated in the state level competition. Give one more round of applause please for the girls. State level beach volleyball competition was conducted at St. Joseph's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Kovalam on 7-2024. Under 14 girls R. Kamini and S. Vanika of 8th standard participated in the state level competition. Coming to the post-scholastic area, CCA. As you know, co-curricular activities provide children opportunities to showcase their talents. CCA, NAR School helps our students develop relationship, skill and everlasting friendship where they learn to work in a group collaboratively. Science exhibition. Recently we have conducted, hope you all remember. I tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn was a quote by Benjamin Franklin. Based on the above quote, our students took part in science exhibition by preparing various charts and working models. Science fair was held on 8th February 2024 at our school premises and was inaugurated by our President Sir. With great interest, our President Sir inspected all the projects and selected 3 winners from the classes 4 to 9. Yesterday, evening, they will be getting the certificates, all the science winners, science project winners. Congratulations winners. Celebration, sharing the happy moments together and spreading joy all around is a vital aspect of Sheshatri Matriculation Higher Secondary School and we follow this every year religiously. Guru Purnima, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Navaratri, Diwali, Pongal was celebrated with great zest and veneration. Independence Day was celebrated with great honor and patriotism. Advocate Sri SPM Rajiv Gandhi has hoisted the flag. Flag songs and speech was given by our students. Special address was given by principal. Republic Day was celebrated on 26 January 2024. The celebration commenced with the customary unfurling of the national flag by our President Sir Shri P. Sridhar Babu Sir. Teachers Day was celebrated to pay respect to all our faculty members for their tireless efforts. Competitions were conducted for the teachers and prizes were distributed to the winners. Principal extended her heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for the diligence, sincerity and hard work. Children's Day was celebrated by conducting various competitions to our students by our teachers. Yoga. The best way for peace of mind is yoga. Yoga has been an integral part of a school system and we are proud to see our children practicing the asanas accurately for the better mental and emotional balance. Election. Leadership is the capacity to translate the vision into reality. The students themselves learn through the system of voting that they are the ones who can choose a leader for themselves, someone who will represent them and talk on behalf of them. SPL election and swearing-in ceremony was held on 22/6/2023. N. Shalini of class 11th standard was selected as SPL of a school. ASPL and house captains were selected by the students. The Students' Council for the academic year 2023-24 was set up by the students. Counseling sessions. Students appearing for the board exams are guided and motivated by our career guidance programs. Interactive sessions. Sri Krishna Sweets Ilakya Kudal organized an interactive session titled as Aarti Chudi with students at our school. The topic Edu Dharmam was addressed by Mr. B. Edu Selvam on January month. The topic Edu Nattu was addressed by M. Madan Kumar on February month. Makkal Kural, Adam Pakam Times, Easier Times, Pillar Times has given write-ups about the above mentioned events and we are very happy to share here. Hope you all would have read the paper. Excursions, we are taking excursion every year. School organizes 2 field trips, 1 education trip and 1 fun field trip every year. Students have gone to Queensland and MGM as fun field trip. Students visited Vivekananda House on 13/2/24 as educational trip. Students visited Danish Ahmed College of Engineering as field trip and gained knowledge about artificial intelligence, drone and e-vehicles. Our students have participated in various co-curricular activities which are as follows. Bharatiya Sangam conducted speech competition on 5/8/2023 and our students participated in the program and received appreciation from the organizers and the prize distribution ceremony was held at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mylapore on September 11, 2023 at 4 o'clock on the birth date of Mahakavi Bharatiya. Our students R. Jhansi Lakshmi of class 11th got first prize and received rupees 1,500 as cash prize. Give round of please, audience. Please. R. Abhinaya of class 12 got third prize and received rupees 750 as cash prize. A. Surya of class 10 got third prize and received rupees 750 as cash prize. Audience, cheer up our students. Segiya Research Center conducted speech competition and students from our school have participated. Students have participated in the book release Kambanin Raman program conducted by Alvargal Tamilaraman on 11/6/2023. Initiative for Moral and Cultural Training Foundation IMCTF offers cultural knowledge and protect us from West-centric lifestyle. Now, I am very proud to share that the correspondent Shri Papurat Sir is our co-convener in IMCTF Chennai. Now, I request the audience to give a very big round of applause for our correspondent Sir, being as a co-convener in IMCTF. Our students have participated in speech, essay, and poem recitation competition conducted by Kamman Kadagam, Chennai on 10/6/2023. Our student A. Surya got second place in Kambaramayanam recitation competition. M. Shalini of 11th standard has got second place in essay competition. L. Janusha of 11th standard has got consolation prize. Kamarajar Education Development Day 2023 was conducted by Nadar Mahajana Sangam, and our school students from class 6 to class 12 have participated in it, and I am very proud to say this. Chengalpattu District Education Office has conducted speech, essay and poem recitation competition on Tamil Development Day for our secondary students. Our students from 11th to 12th have participated in it. Our students have participated in variety program in Tamil conducted by Prachar Bharati, Akashwani, and it was broadcasted on 4th July and 7th July of 2023. UDSFSA, that is, the United District Self-Financing Schools Association, have conducted the 6th annual award ceremony on Saturday, the 22nd of July 2023 at B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Mandalur, Chennai, awarded trophy to our school for achieving 100% result in +2 examination. Audience, I am expecting from you a big round of applause for achieving 100% result in the board examination. At this juncture, we appreciate all the higher secondary teachers who work tirelessly to achieve our remarkable feat. This prestigious award was possible only because of their hard work, dedication, tremendous effort shown on students. Thank you, teachers. Students, I expect a round of applause from you for our teachers who work tirelessly and showed much effort for the students to achieve 100% result. Segilar Research Center, Chennai has conducted Devaram Poem Recitation Competition on 5th February 2023 and the results were announced on July month 2023. Prize distribution ceremony was held at Sri Ramchandra Convention Center, Trivandrum, Chennai on 28 July 2023, and in this ceremony, our student Preetika of 4th standard has got 3rd prize. M. Narumugai of 3rd standard and A. Surya of 9th standard have received consolation prizes. Clap your hands. We have recited such a big praises. Pledge against drug abuse led by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has been taken by 199 students of a school on 11/8/2023. Speech, essay and drawing competitions were conducted. In speech competition, our student A. Surya of class 10 standard has got 1st prize. M. Shalini of class 11 standard has got 2nd prize. R. Swati of class 12 standard has got 3rd prize. In essay competition, our student S. Divya of class 12 standard has got 1st prize. A. Sachin of class 10 standard has got 2nd prize. R. Swati of class 12 standard has got 3rd prize. In drawing competition, our student S. Ramkumar of 12th standard has got 1st prize. Team Trifina Esther Jnanarani of 9th standard has got 2nd prize. S. Santosh of 11th standard has got 3rd prize. Bhagwan Mahavir Foundation have conducted online essay competition from 5th September 2023 to 7th September 2023. Our student P. Divishri of 7th standard has secured the consolation prize and received ₹1,000 as cash prize. Give a round of applause for Divishri because she has written the essay competition online and she secured the prize as cash prize as ₹1,000. And at this occasion, I am proud to announce that the 2 teachers from our institution have got Best Teacher Award. Your favorite teacher, Mrs. R. Rekha Mani, Max Faculty, received Best Teacher Award on 6th September 2023 at Narada Gana Sabha, Tinagar, which was given by International Lions Club. Best Teacher Award was received by Science Teacher, Mrs. N. Muthulakshmi at Dr. Radhakrishna's house. No sound from students, your Science Teacher. N. Muthulakshmi at Dr. Radhakrishna's house, Mylapore on 5th September 23 from Tamil Nadu Education Research and Development Organization. Pledge against untouchability was taken on 31/2024, 2 minutes silence was observed from 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. from classes 6 to 12 standard. N. Shalini and N. Januja were the intra-school winner of the quiz competition conducted by the Students Magazine Pattam. I am proud to announce this. Our teachers participated in Tamil Agarathiyal Vida on 8/11/2023 conducted by our Tamil Nadu government. Our students have participated in Sirval Sole All India Radio program and it was broadcasted on 5th February 2024. Thanks note. On behalf of the management, staff and students of Sri Sheshatri Matriculation Higher Secondary School, I hereby express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Sri B. Movendra Pandian, Executive Officer, Salem District. I take this opportunity to thank today's guest of honor, Sri N. Senthilkumar, CEO, Group of Ganga Suites and Hotels, Chennai, and our correspondent, sir. Also, we are not here. As I told you, the blessings will be with us. I would like to take this opportunity to express my grateful thanks to our correspondent sir, our president sir, our secretary ma'am, who always support us, guide us in all aspects, and they are the backbone of the school system. I wish to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our academic advisor ma'am, vice principal sir, and all of my staff members with whose cooperation we have been able to carry out all program and academic activities successfully. I express my sincere thanks to non-teaching staffs of a school. I also extend my heartfelt special thanks to the parents of our students who have shown unflinching faith in us by giving us the opportunity to transform the children into truly useful citizens of the future India. And also, I thank the helpers and volunteers who have been the reason why we have been able to organize this event successfully today now. Let me conclude my annual report with a small quote. If you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Once again, I thank the management for giving me support and guidance to be a part of this institution. Thank you one and all. Thank you for the opportunity.
I'm sure annual report has made